We began our trip with a dry fit of the canoe in the front yard, with a place for everything and everything in its place, even with Lily Dog's cabana and Lily Dog 2.
Hey, you having fun?
So after giving Lily Dog a summer haircut, we packed up and we were on our way. So we loaded up the car and off we went. The put-in at Hodenpyl Dam is a long, rather steep wooden stairs, but at least it's all downhill. So it's all good. No, let's leave it up there in the deal. Okay, there. It was a little bit of a workout, but here we are. We are down, all loaded up and ready to go. So, and there's a whole bunch of other people up there waiting to come down, so we're gonna get going. You ready, Deb? Okay, because they're like on their way down. And Lily, the big adventure dog, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, let's get going. And those guys, by the way, that's Hodenpyl Dam, and they're catching rainbows. So, pretty cool. All right, here we go. There's our future right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay, and we're off.
Yeah.
There's Lily, all comfy cozy, right, Lily? And yeah, I don't know, you can see the bottom there. It's crystal clear, very clear. So, yeah, we got a fiberglass canoe. So I got fiberglass cloth at Resident Home. So we just wanted to do the light one because Deb's can't really help me much on carrying stuff, but beautiful. All right, let's get this started. We're doing the Hodenpyl Dam to Red Bridge stretch, which is approximately 13 miles long. Now you can do that in about 5 hours if you go straight through, or for us, we're gonna paddle for about half that time and pull in and do a nice camp. And then finish it off the next day. There it is. The little Manistee Bridge, huh? Yeah, or Mackinac. They call it the Little Mac. So very cool. That's just what you hear, the suspension bridge. So all right. Oh. Hey, let's go to the right. Or no, we're good. We're perfect. Just go to the left of those rocks. We're good. So, yeah, we're good. Okay. Don't jump from there. It's probably. I know that's what you were thinking. Yeah. A lot of river bends. In each river bend, it's like a nice deep hole. So when we find a camping spot, we'll be on a river bend. Gotta be nice and sandy. I hear an echo. Alright. On we go. Windy. I got it. Lily's in dreamland, aren't you, Lily? Yeah. We're in our little pet canopy. This is a pretty river. So we're trying not to rush. So we got on the water a little after 1. We're gonna do a couple hours of paddling today, and then we're gonna look for a campsite, just relax. So, cool. Look at her, she's got her head on the gunwale, watching the water go by. Cool. All right. Yes, yes. Okay, there, we just took a pit stop up over there. Because Lily Dog had to go, didn't she, Lily? You better now? Okay. Alright, well, we're gonna continue down, and a couple of birds up there. I don't know if you can see them or not. But yeah. Very nice. Very nice river. I guess next really nice camping spot, I think we're gonna stop. Suppose I better start controlling the boat here. There. You think so? Yeah, we found a campsite. Here. Okay, look at this. This is like the grassland. And then yeah, we picked it, very nice beach. See, I'm not even sinking in at all.
Yeah.
Great swimming beach. There's gonna be great fishing, nice bend in the river with sit there and bottom fish, and we're gonna spend the rest of the day. And then you go over here. Oh, this is nice over here, Deb, too. Then you can walk down there. There's a whole new fishing hole there. This is nice. It's only like 2:30 in the afternoon, but we're and we got all kinds of flowers. Cool flowers. Yeah, and then all right. You want to see this? Okay, there's a little fire ring. And very nice view upriver. Nice view. Yeah, this is very nice. Okay, we're good. All right. We are setting up camp. Yeah. Yeah, great site for tents. Not a site at all for hammocks, so that's why we picked it. All right. Very good. Peaceful. This is a Monday, by the way. Yeah, this is Monday, right? She's on the other side in the shade. Well, it's probably too hot in there. Oh, you did? Yeah, that tent's got really big.
Yeah.
Nice big screen.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Cool. That's gonna be nice. I hate to even put the rain fly on. I don't think we got to worry about rain at all.
No, we don't.
But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can go online and see the weather. Now we got a good breeze, and you can kind of see it picking up now. But it's really pretty out here, though. So anyway, time to go swimming.
Yeah.
They're nice, huh? Oh, look at I don't know if you can see the bottom, but this is such good sand. There's Lily Dog. Lily, is this nice?
Yeah. So you can see her. You can see Deb's feet.
Yeah.
It's just clear. So, and there's no. We got lucky. We picked the spot with. This is nice sand. Oh. Beautiful. Water. You can see my hand down in the water. It's so clear. So this is a swimming hole. Here. Got the tent set up. Gonna have a snack and go gather firewood. Boy, here we go. Lily in her cabana. That's what you call them things on the beaches, right? There we go. There's Debbie and Lily. Manistee River. Oh my God. So this is such, yeah, cool. So here we are, just relaxing. So, and we do this with backpacking too, me and my daughter Jackie. It's like last week we took 3 days to do 11 miles, and we started with three people. Then they were doing like 23-mile loop in 2 days, 1 night. So you can do all this stuff as leisurely as you want. So we do the emphasis on camping and hanging out. So what time did we get in? A little after 1.
Yeah.
And right now, and we pulled up here about 3 o'clock or even a little before, and then I think we're gonna take off at Red River Bridge, and I think if you do the continuous, you can make it in like 5 hours from the Hodenpyl Dam. So, and we're taking 2 days, because this is just too good to go fast on. Okay. Well, we ate. Look at this mesmerizing. The sound of silence. Just peaceful. Peaceful. Here we go. Well, the sun went down below the trees. It's 8:36. Probably about an hour from getting dark. And we have fire. Didn't even need Jackie to start one for me this time. I did it all by myself. Okay, I took a picture. But check the sunset. Check that sunset up out with the fire. That's pretty. That sure is pretty. Good morning, Lily. Lilibeth. Lily. Hey. Lily. Lily. Good morning. It is time to get up. There. Breakfast is made.
Yeah.
Thanks to our little propane stove there. I'm having, what do we got? We got Starbucks Italian roast. And oh yeah, cookies. And a banana. Coffee, banana, and cookies. And Deb's having
Oatmeal.
coffee, oatmeal, and a banana. Breakfast of champions. Yeah, time to put the sunglasses on already. Yeah, yesterday we rolled in here with in our canoe about what?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, and we only saw one party paddle by with 2 canoes. It was a father, son, and some of the son's friends, and that was it. Yeah. Not a lot of, surprised at how little traffic we're seeing here. This is Tuesday morning right now, so cool. Nope. Better open those cookies. There we go. There, I got about a 10-inch rainbow. Catch a couple more, maybe have, oops, maybe have some rainbow trout for lunch before we leave, huh? Cool. Whoop, here. What? Huh, Lily? Push it back in. Here we got a couple of 10-inch rainbows. And then I just caught this sucker. We were trying spinners and didn't get anything, so we went back to. Okay, here, let's. okay, here, let's see this thing. Okay, here you go. There you go. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to it. Yeah, good girl. Wasn't that fun? Well, I guess it's time to quit fishing. Had a couple of 10, 11-inch rainbows and a nice chubby smallmouth and a couple of suckers. So had some action. I had a couple on that fell off. I had one rainbow on that dropped off. So it's time to pack up the tent, get everything in the canoe, and then we're gonna cook up some trout here on the beach while we do a little swimming, and then we're gonna take off. There, we're all packed up. And down on the beach, we're gonna take, I'm gonna take a little swim here, then we'll pack the canoe up and then get on our way, huh?
Yeah, that sounds like a really good idea.
Yeah, we bought everything but the, oh, we did bring the kitchen sink. There it is. So, all right. We'll see you on the river. See you on the river. Here we are. We're back on the river. Lily's got a good, yeah, Lily's in some good shade. They're a little cabana. Yeah, there's a big group that just went down about 10-15 minutes before we left, so hopefully we don't run into them. We'll go as slow as we can, whatever the current is. But yeah, we got the canoe. Here, see, I got this and I can move back and forth to equal the weight out. That's nice. And it's a lot better today as far as the load, even load. Okay, we're coming into a little bit of trees. I better start steering here.
That you thought looked really good for. So we are kayaking down this, or canoeing down this beautiful river. Lily is really happy in her little cabana, which is really nice. She's just gonna take a nap. Okay, here we are going through the rapids. It's a little shallow. They're not really rapids. They're probably a 0.5 on a scale from 1 to 10. But it's really gorgeous. And it really gets us moving. Beautiful, beautiful sky. Okay, there's a lot of twists and turns in this river.
You know, if you look up on the bluff there,
Uh-huh.
that might be. Alright. See now the. Yeah, I like it when it was fast better, but whatever. So, there it is. Red River Bridge access. That's what we're gonna take out. So we must have been on the river for 2 hours today. Must have did about 10 miles. So yeah. We went from the Hodenpyl Dam to down to here, and we took our time. We did a night camping, and it was absolutely relaxing. All right, let's get all loaded up. Well, here we are. We made it. We're all loaded up, and it's a nice access. Red Bridge River access. She's all done, and I'm all done. It was awesome. Yeah, and Deb's all done. Where are you, Deb?
I'm right here.
There you are.
Hello.
Cool. All right.
I'm all done.
Very beautiful river. We'll be back.
I'm all done. Yes, sir.